Hey Capricorn, getting ready to do your general reading. This is going to be from the 9th of October to the 16th of October. Um, it's for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs in Capricorn. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs in Capricorn from the 9th of October to the 16th of October. Okay. Card at the bottom of the deck is Three of Pentacles. Capricorn, what's happening? What are these energies? On one hand, I feel you guys are getting out of this stagnated energies. And on the other, I feel that you are getting into some kind of turmoil, mental or physical, in your love life, in your relationship, or with authorities. Not authorities like seniors at work or something like that. Could be your mentor, your teacher, which is making you feel restless and you feel like you are stuck in the middle of struggle. You're trying to balance everything in life, but right now everything feels off balance. Communications, work, health. So, yeah, I'll let you know something. We are entering the Mercury retrograde, and we're in the shadow period right now. And Mercury retrograde is known to disrupt things, it's known to disrupt communications. Whatever you feel, is going on the right track, gets off track. It gets disrupted. You feel as if whatever um, things that you had planned, whatever plans that you had made, actually, they will come to a standstill. But this energy will only be here till like the 13th of November or something. So don't worry about that. It's just a passing phase. This gives you time to think about things. Your father plays an important role in your life. Either your father or somebody you consider as a father figure, or your boss who is like a father to you. That senior, that one senior in office who's like a guiding light, you know, that person plays an important role in your life. You will have ups and downs. Sometimes you will feel as if things are absolutely fine. Then the very next moment you'll feel like, some communication will go for a toss, or things were going smooth and then suddenly there'll be a speed bump. But just remember, it's only a speed bump. Mercury comes in our life, Mercury retrograde comes in our life to make us contemplate on things, our plans. If there is even the slightest hint of reconsideration, Mercury urges us to check out new directions and see if whatever we were planning, does it really serve us. But I feel towards the end of this month, which is a fact actually, towards the end of this month, so it's like a roller coaster ride. You will have ups and downs, but you will manage, Capricorn, because you'll take it in your stride. Sometimes, yeah, you might just feel really bogged down by these energies, but then you'll be complacent towards it. So don't worry. Um, this reading is only till the 16th of October. Energies change, thought processes change, and so do the readings. And because this is a general reading, it may or may not resonate with everyone. So don't get scared, because to be very frank, there is nothing to be scared about over here. It's just is just a mild roller coaster ride. There is nothing drastic happening over here. Nothing that'll throw you completely off balance. It won't. It's just, yeah, I mean, you could feel misunderstood. But then there are times when we feel misunderstood and there are no retrogrades happening. And then what do we do then? Right? So you will do what you do normally. You will react to things the way you do. Just make sure you don't let your emotions get in the way. Don't get too angry. Don't take hasty decisions. Do not jump to conclusions or, you know, indulge in uh, impulsive behaviors, take impulsive actions. Do not do that. You have the devil card twice in your reading. That is your card, actually, Capricorn. And I feel that whatever goes down comes back up. So, yeah, it is just going to be like a roller coaster ride. And you'll find yourself taking each day as it comes. And even if you feel stuck, I would suggest you to take each day as it comes. Take one day, master it, and then do that every day. You know, don't make 5 year plans right now because you've seen what happened. We all made plans and see where it led us, right? I'm not saying that do not have a direction in life. All I'm saying is, um, by paying attention to goals that are achievable in short term goals actually, um, those serve better. And like, say in a week's time you want to do certain things, you want to complete an online course, you want to complete an artwork, or you want to complete a to-do list that your boss has given you, or something like that. Those are achievable goals. But yeah, you want to reduce 10 kgs in a week, that's not achievable. You want to roam around the world, that is not achievable at all because of the period, what is happening right now. So the thing is that you need to take each day and master it, and take one step at a time, Capricorn. Changes are coming your way. If it's a trying time, pleasant times are coming your way. You just need to hold on and be patient. Whatever you have asked for finds its way to you, and trust me, your patience will be rewarded. If you want, you can hone your skills. You can practice more on things that you think you're good at. Sometimes when we can't do anything else, we feel stagnated, we should indulge in our hobbies or things that calm us down, because sometimes we don't realize, but those hobbies could turn into passion, to into a career, actually, not passion. And that really serves as a good launch pad to us. Waves of prosperity and playtime. Guys, yeah, that's what I was saying. Bring the lightness in your life. Indulge in hobbies, meet people you like, meet your cousins or whoever you like spending time with. Break that monotony, break the serious energies, and indulge in things that are light. Opportunity. So right now you just need to use this time as a stepping stone, because you are being guided towards opportunities which is going to lead you to waves of prosperity, right? Take it as a test, guys. And Capricorns, I feel, are very intelligent people. I mean, even in school, or they're very smart kids. Nothing is set in stone. Yeah, nothing is set in stone. Surrender this trying period to the universe, because it doesn't belong to you. You are just a witness to this, okay? Always treat yourself as a witness, and don't let your emotions come in the way, Capricorn, because that's going to really mess things up, which are already quite messy. Hold on, meditate, this is basically life. It's not something that you need to be scared of. We're all going through this, right? No matter the sign, no matter the gender, no matter the ethnicity, We're all stuck in this together. So don't worry, you've got this. It's just minor ups and downs, and you'll be fine, guys. You'll just be fine, don't worry. Because abundance and new opportunities await you. So, why would you want this period to affect you so much, right? Things are happening in your favor, Capricorn. I see good things happening for you. Hang in there, take care, and bye. Thank you for watching.